G speedrun because I haven't done it yet. Oh, um, yeah. There have been in the past. I don't do ninja speedruns. I don't do those ninja levels often. I remember I skipped one, but I went. You can go back to it and play it just so you can get that stamp to get those costumes. Oh, that's all I really care about is getting those costumes. Hi, Greentails. Pikachu Gamer, hello. There was a secret P-switch door. Oh, okay. I wonder where it was. I don't recall seeing any outlines. Ooh. Annie says sorry, I can't stay more. That's fine, Annie. Thank you and good luck. Thank you, Frayed. It's funny sliding while the sandstorm is pushing you. That's just funny. Wait, it's another Yoshi though. I don't need it. Silly Spike, you knocked yourself out. Ha, ant. Another Yoshi? Okay. Okay. Icicles, huh? Well, thank goodness there's no, sandstorm. So it's the same... It's the same, but it's the snow. Okay, okay. Ah! Oh! Yoshi! Ah! Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Where'd you go? There you are. Eek! I hope it's okay to use that moon. Hopefully I didn't need it for something else. Anne says Yoshi looks depressed when you run. Oh wait, Fire Flower. Okay, I already have that. Some deserts get cold at night. True, true. Checkpoint. I like how you have that effect. Because it's a ninja, it makes so much sense. It never dawned on me that when you grab this Pokey, the snow version, you actually have a snowball. Okay. Fire, though. Do I need that? Huh. Wait, another checkpoint? I feel like... Haven't I already done the checkpoint thing? There we go. Okay. But I need to hit an on-off switch. Oh, there it is, okay. Oh gosh. I better be careful not to get that coin then. Whew, okay. Alright. Now I have access to that coin. Or that door, I should say. Where does this go? Oh! It takes me back. Oh! Oh, man. Ah, there we go. Whew, glad I respawned. Oh, gosh. But why, though? Oh, gosh. Kinda don't want to fight that. Oh, the acorn! I don't want the acorn, though. I like the fire flower. A star! Wonderful! Wait, oh, I got the acorn anyway. Alright. Oh, the exit! Wait, what? What's over here? Secret! Yoshi can fly! Backwards! I mean, it looks like it's flying. I know he's sliding, but just have your arms out. Just looks like it's flying. Hi, Productions. Player level. While I'm playing Worlds, there's a queue. Ash. Anne says, did Eggman capture a Yoshi and do the experiment to turn into two